From the garden lawn to the balcony, from the glass panel to the microinverter, this is a truly plug-and-play, high-efficiency home solar system that brings clean energy effortlessly to every household, easily placed on the garden lawn, supported by a stable independent stand. It continuously generates power under natural sunlight. Your truly plug-and-play outdoor micro power station, compatible with wall and balcony railing installation. The adjustable tilt angle ensures the panel always captures optimal sunlight, bringing solar power even to small spaces. The HJT dual glass structure delivers 25.2% cell efficiency, offering superior weather resistance, corrosion protection, and an extended lifespan. Equipped with a pre-installed 400-watt microinverter for safe and reliable plug-and-play operation, ideal for balconies, wall-mounted setups, and other complex urban environments, the high-strength black metal frame features freely adjustable angles with clear markings for easy installation, providing solid support and the best power generation orientation.